Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I'm so excited for today's video. This is a baking video. We haven't done one of these in a really long time, and I can't wait to share this recipe with you. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make these pumpkin cupcakes with cinnamon cream cheese frosting. They are so easy to make. You barely need any equipment. Only 2 bowls and a couple ingredients, and I just know you're going to love these. These are the softest, most delicious cupcakes I think I've ever made. So if you're excited to learn how to make them, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so that you can be part of the best family ever and also be the first to see my recipes as soon as they drop on this channel. As always, I will have the full recipe linked down in the description box below if you want to try these for yourself. It will also be on my blog. And if you didn't know, every month I send out a newsletter. It comes once a month. It's absolutely free, and it has a free ebook with 5 new recipes every single month. It's really awesome. So if you want to sign up for that, NicoleTheNomad.com. I also have that linked down in the description box below. But I'm so excited to learn how to make these cupcakes, so let's get to it. We're gonna start off by mixing all of our dry ingredients in a big, large mixing bowl. So we're gonna add some flour, some baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. And then here we've got some nutmeg, ground ginger, ground cloves, and nutmeg. All the yummy fall flavors. And then using a whisk, we'll make sure all that's combined. Now in another large bowl, we're gonna do our wet ingredients. For this, we're gonna do 1 cup of pumpkin puree, some brown sugar, white sugar, a little bit of vanilla, and half a cup of oil. And last but not least, we'll need 2 eggs. Well, I don't know about you, but I love pumpkin flavored things. Cupcakes are probably one of my favorite. Comment down below if you agree. All right, now we'll take our whisk and get all that nice and combined. Okay, now we'll get our dry ingredients bowl back over here, and we are going to combine our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. All right, now we're gonna mix all this together until it's just combined. Be careful to not overmix it. Just fold it in with our spatula. These are already smelling so good. Oh, you guys, this is gonna be great. This recipe is so easy. It hardly takes any time at all. So I'm telling ya, if you're not stellar at baking, this one's for you. You're gonna impress all your friends and family at Thanksgiving. Okay, that is looking pretty good. And we're gonna set that to the side. We've got our little muffin tins right here. I'm gonna fill mine with cupcake liners. I feel like this is the easiest way to not make a mess. But if you want, you could also just spray your pan. But they're cupcakes, so I feel like they should have little liners. Okay, now using a scoop like this or a spoon, we're just going to scoop out our dough and fill up the liners. Comment down below what your favorite cupcake flavor is. I feel like there's so many cupcake shops out there nowadays that it's so fun to like go out and get cupcakes. I forget to make them at home, but man, I want to start making these more often. Let me know if you want me to do a cupcake series. I filled my liners up pretty full, so I have 1 extra cupcake that didn't make it, but this recipe would make 12 if you didn't fill them up as full as me. Okay, these are all done. Now these are going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, our cupcakes just came out of the oven. They turned out so good. Gosh, they're so fluffy. So while these are cooling, we are going to get started on the cream cheese frosting. For this, you're gonna need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, and then half a cup of softened butter. Okay, now before we add in the rest of our ingredients, we are going to whip this up to get the butter and the cream cheese combined. For this, I'm using the whisk attachment. You can also use a hand mixer if you don't have a regular mixer, but my hand mixer is actually still in my storage unit because I'm not in my house yet. Okay, let's give this a go. Now we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 cups of powdered sugar, but we're gonna slowly add this in while it's mixing. So we are going to get this started, put it on low so we don't make a mess. I'm gonna add this little cover right here and pour our powdered sugar in. All right, she's done. This looks so delicious. Check that out. Now we're gonna take a pastry bag and a large star tip. We're gonna plop this right down. This part is totally optional. It's kind of bougie. If you wanna make your cupcakes look super cute, you can pipe the frosting on. If you don't have one of these or you don't wanna take the time to do that, totally not necessary. You can just take a butter knife and spread the frosting on the cupcakes. I just wanna make mine super cute. So to fill the bag, you're just going to flip a little bit of it inside out so you can get more of it down in the bottom and can kind of create a hole. And then I like to hold onto the bottom like this. And we're just going to take a spatula and drop the frosting in. You don't want to fill it up too full or else it'll come out the top. So we're just gonna do maybe 1 more of these. Perfect. And then you can bring it back up like this. And while you hold the top closed, we're just gonna press it down, get all those air bubbles out, cinch it at the top, give it a little twist, and we're ready to pipe. Okay, this is my favorite part. This see if I can get close so you can see. We're just gonna go around in a circle. Absolutely perfect. I'm so excited. One important thing to note too, you wanna do these when the cupcakes are completely cooled. If they're still warm from being out of the oven, because this is butter and cream cheese, if the cupcakes are hot, it will melt the frosting all over it. That was a mistake I made earlier on when I was just learning how to bake. I will never make that mistake again. Just like that. They turned out so good, actually. Wow. This is why I love piping on my icing, just because I feel like it makes it look like it came from a cupcake shop. I mean, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. But we all know what's more important is how it tastes. So here we go. Cheers. Oh, okay, these are great. Y'all just go ahead and do yourself a favor and save this recipe down below. Like this video, however you save things on YouTube, because this needs to be at your Thanksgiving dinner. If you bring this to a Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving or dinner party, really anywhere, you are going to be everyone's favorite. I'm telling you, these cupcakes are so fluffy and so soft, and it has all the flavors of fall. Ooh, they're just so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm gonna go inhale this, but if you enjoyed learning how to make these cupcakes, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below if you like these baking videos, if you'd like to see more cupcakes or any other kind of baked goods on here, or if you just like the smoothie bowls, let me know that too. I love hearing from you. Or if you just wanna drop a note and say hi, let me know where you're from. I say this every week because I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I am so thankful for you and so grateful to do life with you. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in every week. We'll see you next time. Bye.